Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I'm Jasa Ancheta. I'm 34 years old and I'm widow. I have two children, 14 years old and 4 years old. I live in Puruksete, Nagrumbuan, Kawayan City, Isabela. We are 6 siblings and I am the fifth of the family. I am high school graduate.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have 2 years experience here in the Philippines, and I serve 3 members of the family, 1 couple and 1 child. The child is 8 years old. I serve cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing, and taking care of the child.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I'll do the first aid kit and check the temperature, and after that, I'll call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am patiently, generous, loyal, and also helpful.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
To provide the needs of my children and also my parents.
If you get hard, who will take care of your children?
My parents.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I'll concentrate my work.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep at 9 p.m. and wake up at 5 a.m.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are so far active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I'll talk to them patiently.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in abroad?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for my master and 1 for my lane, but 1 for the little boy that lives down the lane.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am, sir. Please hire me, and I'll promise I'll do my best to serve you until to finish my contract. Thank you.